Good morning, dear students. Open your maths book and come to page number 42, Word Problems. Today we will do the exercise 3.5. So let's start. See the first question. Ishan had 5 pencils. How many pencils he had? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. He gave 2 pencils to his best friend Veer. How many pencils were left with Ishan? So he gave away 2. Total he had 5. He gave away 2. Now how much is left with him? As you can see 5 pencils over here. We have to subtract 2 from 5. How much is left? 1, 2, 3. So 3 is the answer here. Come to question number 2. Jaren has 8 smiley faces. How many faces he had? 8. So we have written 8 here. As you can see, there are 8 smiley faces over here. He gave away 3 smiley faces to Iram. How many faces are left with Jaren? That means he had 8 smiley faces. He gave away 3. 1, 2, 3. Now how much is left with him? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 is the answer here. Now let's solve these questions. Josh had 9 roses. How many roses he had? 9. He gives 5 roses to his aunt on her birthday. How many did he keep for himself? Josh had 9 roses. Now you can count on your finger or you can calculate in another way also as I am showing to you. This is just to explain you. I am using a rough page. How many roses Josh had? 9. And he gives 5 roses to his aunt. That means we have to subtract 5 from 9. You can subtract on your finger or even by drawing the lines as I am showing to you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So students, after completing page number 43, come to page number 44. We will do question number 4 now. Draw lines and match 1 to 1. You can match in the similar way as it is shown to you. Now this question has 2 sets, set A and set B. We need to find how much object set A has and how much B has. So let's start counting. 1, 2, 3. A has 3 objects. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And set B has 5 objects. That means set B is greater than set A. Set dash has more objects. That just now we have come to know that set B has more objects. So we will write B over here. How many more? To find this, we need to subtract set B with set A. So set B had 5. So we will write 5 here. And set A had 3. You can use your finger to subtract 5 from 3. 1, 2, 3. How much is left? 2. So you will write 2 here. In question number B, again you can match 1 to 1 by using pencil and scale. Again we will find which set has more objects. Set A has 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 objects. And set B has 1, 2. That means set B is smaller than set A. Set dash has less objects. As you can see, set B again has less objects. So you will write B over here. How many less? To find this, we need to subtract the greater side with the smaller one. So A has greater number of objects. So we will write 4 here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. And set B had 2. Again we will count on finger. 4 is there. We have to subtract 2 from it. 1, 2. How much is left? 2 again. You will write 2 as a answer here. Now we will do subtraction by counting back. You all know how to count from 1 to 10. But counting back means we have to count from 10 to 1. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We will now do this exercise. Subtract using the numeral * and write the answer. Let's see what the first question says. 3 minus 2. You can use your finger or this star. 3 minus 2. You have to subtract 3 from 2. You can count on your fingers also. 3 has to be subtracted from 2. How much is left? 1. You will write 1 over here. Second question. 10 minus 6. 10 is here and 6 is here. When 6 is subtracted from 10, let's see how much is left. 1, 2, 3, 4. 6 is subtracted, so we will not count this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is left. You can do the same calculation using your fingers. Let's do the third question. 4 minus 3. 4 is here and 3 is here. When we subtract 4 from 3, how much is left? 1. 10 minus 4. 10 is here and 4 is here. Again we have to subtract 4 from 10. Now let's see how much is left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We will not count 4 because we are subtracting it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is the answer. In the similar way, you will do these questions also.